This is a review of Imecha inflator pump from Vogma. This has a battery inside it. You can either use battery power or car cigarette lighter. This product is for your car and motorcycle or bike or the basketball or soccer ball, any type of ball. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside. When you open it, you can see it has a bag. And then here is the air pump. This is transparent and it has 5 buttons and 1 LCD screen. It is giving you the inflation guide for your car is between 31 and 36 psi, SUV tire 3140, bike tire 3150 psi, sport ball 7 and 16 psi. We have the extra attachments for different types of vehicles or bikes. And then here is the head. You can basically put it over there. Make sure it is tight. And we have the car cigarette lighter charger. If you want to charge it at home, this is the USB-C charging cable. Let me go ahead and charge it and see how it's charging. And now it is 1 bar. It has a light. If you want to use this output as a charging power bank, let's go ahead and test it. Here is our USB-A to lightning cable. And let me go ahead and plug this in. Let's use it as a power bank. First of all, you need to plug it into your phone and then press and hold. And now it's active. It is charging. When you're done with that, you're just gonna press and hold. That's it. Here is the light. And it's blinking. I'm gonna go ahead and put this attachment. This is easy. You're just gonna put it over there and press it. That's it. Let's put it over here. When you look at it, you need to choose the ball. Right now it is in the ball section. If you want to change the unit, you need to press on this R button and wait. KPA. We need to use PSI bar, and now it's PSI. The sports ball is 7 to 16 PSI. I'm just gonna put 9 and let's see. It was short, and now this is good. This is awesome. To turn it off, you're just gonna press and hold, and it's off. I'm gonna go ahead and try to use this. Let's put it over here. Right there. I think this is enough. We already have enough air. And put it back. Alrighty. And now it's good. Let me go ahead and test it on the car. That's very easy. And then turn it on. We're gonna change it to the car. Right there, it is 29.7. I'm just gonna put 35 and let's start it. This is awesome and perfect because this is working with a battery. I mean, I didn't get the electricity from the car. You can also do that, but I was just trying to test it on a battery and it worked well. I can definitely suggest this product. And sometimes you need it portable. This is portable and working with the battery. The last thing I want to mention, if you want to use cigarette lighter charger, you can also use it.